We have marble in India known as makrana. The same for the whole Taj Mahal made out of genuinely white in color. The red is a temporary dye on the other side. The henna, the red color what you see on the henna. To see the drawings, because white marble you draw you can't. But if it is painted, yes. And then our real work starts with the gems, and these are like the same precious ones what they use in Taj Mahal, like lapis lazuli, Chile, malachite, Africa, carnelian, turquoise, Turkey, golden Egypt, from China, abalone, New Zealand, jasper, India, black onyx, Belgium. From all of these gems we make flowers, leaves, petals, like the artist doing. As you see, with one hand he rotates the tool, and with the other he was small petals turns into one beautiful flower. This is the flower seems to be. And it's almost like a jigsaw puzzle. Like somewhere like 30 pieces to make one. And once we make these beautiful flowers, we assemble them on the top of marble. Tempering. My request, touch it but very slow, because they are all temporary, and please don't sneeze. They are temporary. Only to visualize the designs what he was imagining, are they perfect or not. And then we draw the outline and we remove those pieces like what he is doing. He is removing those pieces to the other surface, the drawing left. And then we need to carve the marble out 2.5 millimeter deep inside. This is how. This is how we used to dig the marble out, like the perfect floral cavities comes up, and then we call those flowers back. Oh my God. Almost a puzzle, a jigsaw. And once we have the cavities, we call these gems and we glue them in. We paste them in with our same traditional adhesive what our forefathers have used in that way. The glue is strong enough, like once it gets pasted with, like it become a part of marble, you break those gems or you get off it. It's so perfect. And then finally, we used to grind them. We used to sand them really hard with sandstones and paper. So the color goes away, marble becomes again white, and all the gems and stones stays forever. This is how we do that. And what we do, what we make, allow me. I would love to show you the complete pieces, and I'm sure you will be surprised. Yeah? Here's it. This is like touch and feel. But my humble request, inside no photography.
Okay.
My request.